This is the anti-tangle swivel connector. The upper section has a plate with connections. The higher model maytronics have 3 connections. On the robot side, the connector has 3 pins. This shows the 3 pins in good condition. This shows a pin which was damaged and pulled back out. If the pin is higher than the other good pins, it will still work. What happens if the damaged pin is shorter? Once again, water has seeped in and affected the pin. Sometimes lubricating the pin can make it pop back out. If we make an extension to the short pin, it will work. Here is the first example I made. It's a bit rough. The pin was extended and the robot works again. What can you use to extend the pin? I did find an electrical connector. The pin was the correct size and diameter. I lost the piece when I was trimming it. Making a custom pin extender. The diameter of each pin is 1.5 millimeters. We need an extender with an internal diameter of 1.5 millimeters. This 1.5 millimeter Allen key can be used. Grab some 0.1 millimeter nickel strip. This is used to spot weld battery packs. Wrap the strip around something smaller than 1.5 millimeters. Find something slightly tapered to open the rolled strip. Fit the roll to be firm over the 1.5 millimeter Allen key. Try and stay focused here. Solder the end of the tube. Try to make the end rounded. This shows the rounded end. Solder the joins and trim the solder. A blade can easily trim the solder because it's soft. You can finish it with an abrasive. Adjust the length of the pin to suit. Your robot swivel can work again. Thanks for watching.